Imagine waking up one day to find that every job you've ever known is now being done by robots. No more human cashiers, factory workers, or even professionals like lawyers or doctors. What would that world look like? In today's video, we dive into the rise of robotics and automation and ask a troubling question. What if robots took over every job? Let's explore the impact on our future together. As the dawn of a new era unfolds, the rise of robotics and automation in the workforce casts a long, uncertain shadow. The introduction of robot workers into various sectors is rapidly transforming the landscape, leaving many to wonder about the future implications. It's impossible to ignore the growing anxiety surrounding automation trends. Each machine that clocks in seems to edge us closer to a world where AI might be taking our jobs. Every day, more companies adopt robots in the workplace for tasks once performed by humans, from manufacturing lines to customer service desks. This shift raises significant concerns about employment security and economic stability. While automation promises efficiency and cost savings for businesses, it also poses a daunting question. What will become of those who find themselves replaced by tireless, emotionless AI-driven counterparts? The escalation of robot workers is not just an abstract concept, it's here and now, and its impact is profound. As society grapples with these rapid changes, we must confront the uncomfortable reality. Are we prepared for a future where human labor may no longer be indispensable? The impact on employment. Could robots really take over all jobs? As we stride further into the age of advanced technology, concerns about job displacement by robots are becoming increasingly prevalent. The notion that robots could lead to mass unemployment is no longer a distant dystopian fantasy, but a pressing reality we must face. Automation is rapidly evolving, and with each leap forward, the fear intensifies. Could we be on the brink of a widespread robot job takeover? In many sectors, we've already witnessed significant job loss to automation. Manufacturing industries have seen robots replace assembly line workers. Self-checkout machines are reducing the need for cashiers in retail. Even sophisticated AI systems are now performing tasks once reserved for white-collar professionals such as data analysis and legal documentation. These advancements beg the question, where does this leave human workers? The potential for mass unemployment is not just an economic issue, but a societal one. With fewer jobs comes increased competition and inevitable strain on social welfare systems. As automation becomes more pervasive, the worry lingers. Is any occupation truly safe from being rendered obsolete by robotic counterparts? While some argue that new types of employment will emerge alongside technological progress, this offers little comfort to those currently facing redundancy due to automation. And so, as we march towards an automated future, it becomes ever more crucial to consider how we can adapt and respond to ensure that society as a whole does not suffer from this rapid transition into uncharted territory. The economic consequences of a robot-dominated workforce. As we go deeper into an era where robots increasingly dominate the workforce, an uneasy feeling sets in about the economic implications of such a transition. The initial allure of automation, enhanced efficiency, lower costs, and the ability to tackle mundane tasks might mask more troubling consequences lurking beneath the surface. The economic impact of robotics could be far-reaching and unsettling. On one hand, companies may see soaring profits due to reduced labor costs. On the other hand, countless workers could find themselves unemployed or relegated to lesser roles with diminished wages. This sharp dichotomy raises legitimate concerns about income inequality and job displacement becoming exacerbated at unprecedented rates. Furthermore, while businesses stand to gain financially from this wave of automation, it is essential to ask at what cost society benefits as a whole. The displacement of human workers by machines leads us down a slippery slope, where social safety nets could be strained under the increased demand for welfare programs and unemployment benefits. It begs the question, will our economy be resilient enough to handle such shocks? Inevitably, as robots continue their march into every conceivable sector, from manufacturing plants to customer service, the financial implications of automation extend beyond immediate employment concerns. As yet uncharted territories in policymaking and labor laws emerge, governments might need drastic overhauls to adapt quickly enough without causing further destabilization. While technological advancements promise numerous advantages for industries looking towards future growths powered by robotic innovations, one cannot ignore the worrisome potential long-term impacts on our economy, if not adequately managed through thoughtful preparations today. The social repercussions. A society without work? In our rapidly advancing technological age, the social impact of a robot workforce cannot be overstated. As automation continues to infiltrate more sectors, one might ponder the unsettling question: what happens to human purpose without jobs? This pressing concern reveals deep-rooted anxieties about our future and the community effects of automation. The potential displacement of millions from their livelihoods poses a significant threat to societal structure. For many, work is more than just a paycheck. It offers a sense of identity, purpose, and social connection. Stripping away these fundamental aspects could lead to an existential crisis on a mass scale. The repercussions extend beyond individual suffering, as whole communities may face erosion of cohesion and stability. What does life look like in such a world? How do we redefine value and meaning in an era where robots dominate the workforce? These are not merely hypothetical considerations, they are urgent questions that society must address before it's too late. The future looms uncertainly as we grapple with integrating vast technological advancements, while striving to preserve our humanity amidst profound change. The ethical dilemmas surrounding robotic takeovers. As we find ourselves on the brink of a new industrial revolution driven by artificial intelligence, the ethics of AI in the workplace cannot be ignored. The moral issues with robots replacing humans are generating increasing anxiety among professionals and ethicists alike. One immediate concern is job displacement. As more roles become automated, countless individuals face the prospect of unemployment. This isn't just a numbers game. It's about real people with families and livelihoods at stake. Ethical concerns around automation also extend to questions of accountability and decision-making. When an AI system makes a critical error, who is to blame? The developers? The company that deploys it? Or the machine itself? Furthermore, there's an unsettling worry about how biases can be inadvertently programmed into these systems, leading to unfair outcomes that perpetuate social inequalities. These issues make it imperative for us to approach AI integration with caution and robust ethical frameworks. Otherwise, we risk creating a future where technology serves only a few while marginalizing many. How we address these ethical dilemmas now will shape the societal landscape for generations to come. The incapable leadership and owners of businesses with no emotional intelligence. It's alarming to witness how leadership and owners seem increasingly incapable of understanding a fundamental truth. Their sole customers are humans. And yet, in their relentless pursuit of automation and cost-cutting, they are replacing humans, a move akin to systematically removing their very customers one by one. This lack of emotional intelligence is not just short-sighted, it's potentially catastrophic. Businesses thrive on relationships built through empathy, understanding, and genuine human connection. By sidelining these elements in favor of impersonal technology, companies are heading towards a dead end. The drive for efficiency should never come at the expense of the personal touch that keeps customers loyal and engaged. If this trend continues unchecked, it's not just the workforce that will suffer. Businesses themselves could face an inevitable decline as they lose touch with the very people they aim to serve. It's crucial for leaders to recalibrate their strategies and remember that at the heart of every successful business lies emotional intelligence. Understanding and valuing the human aspect is not optional, it's essential. Coping strategies, preparing for a future with robots everywhere. The rapid advancement of technology is bringing us closer to an era where robots and artificial intelligence could become omnipresent in our daily lives. While this development holds the promise of increased efficiency and innovation, it also stirs up a wave of concerns about how we can prepare for an automation future. Adapting to a robotic workforce requires comprehensive strategies that involve education and retraining for the AI era. The current focus on STEM subjects, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics is vital, but it is not enough. We need to integrate emotional intelligence and creative problem-solving skills into the curriculum to ensure that humans can work alongside these advanced technologies rather than be replaced by them. It is disheartening to see that leadership and business owners often lack the understanding that their core customers are humans. Replacing human workers with machines may seem like cost-saving or productivity-boosting in the short term, but it's akin to removing their customers one by one. This misconception creates a worrying scenario. A dead end for businesses, too, focused on automation at the expense of their human essence. As we brace ourselves for this new world order dominated by robots everywhere, it's crucial for leaders and businesses to recognize that emotional intelligence cannot be automated. After all, it is our humanity that fosters meaningful connections, which are essential not just for customer satisfaction, but for the very survival of businesses in this brave new world. Thank you so much for joining us on this deep dive into the future of a robot-dominated world. If this video got you thinking about the future of work and our role in it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. Don't forget to leave a comment on how you think we should prepare for this possible future. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.